So if we look, there are 3 drain holes. Here's one right here in the center of the screen. This guy here. And then there's a third one in the middle of the door, and then there's another one here. So in the last video, if you saw me peeling things up a bit, you can actually see the drain hole right there. It's a little gunky now. So I removed some of the trim, and if you look carefully, you can see how it actually attaches, and then there's these pretty aggressive little lips that go under, and so you could see how that's snapped into the door. You have to peel this back to get the water to drain a little bit. But then I realized the outer piece of trim here for the car actually wraps around here, creating yet another channel for water and debris to accumulate over the number of months. So I would have to say this is actually not a really good design in my humble opinion here.